Hola amigo, now I tell you how to connect the cables. This is the control box, the same one as what I sent you, 3 pieces. This photo is different, okay? The connection is the same. Let's check this side. The power switch, 12 volts input power, HDMI, VGA, voice out. This is the volume switch. Setting button, USB for PS2 joysticks, and here this port 4 cables is for the switch, and here black and white to here for the loudspeaker. Okay, and let's check here. This is the manual for the cables 1 to 20. Okay, I will send this by WhatsApp, the photo. And this is the main cable, connect here, right? This is the joysticks buttons, P2 joysticks buttons. And this is cable is smaller. The one I sent you is for the children button. This is the one I sent you, it's bigger, okay? It's bigger. Also joysticks for micro switch type. Okay, let's check the panel. Okay, joysticks, coin start, and the 6 buttons from A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, and this side, open the box. Let's check the plug. Okay, from this side we can see it has 20 cable, A1, A5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, and we see the cable start from A6, A5 no cable, A6 to 19, see 20, 8, 19, 18, from 18, okay, A6 to 18, see this 2 is empty, okay, and we check the menu from 6 to 18, okay, 6, the first cable, 6 start from 6 is for button F, okay, F, P1, F, P2, F7, P1, E, P2, E, the buttons, okay, D, C, B, A, from 6 to 11 cable is for the 6 buttons, okay, F, E, D, C, B, A, and for 12 to 15 is for the joysticks, P1, P2, right, left, down, up, okay. For button, for cable 16 is for start button, 17 is for the, in fact, is for the coin button. The last one is for the ground cable. Okay, well, now we check one by one. The first is the number 6 cable is for the button F. Number 6 cable starts from here, the black one, okay, and different. What you receive the cable, the 6 number is the is this one. It starts from yellow, okay. Just forget the color. We count cable numbers, okay. This is the 6 number cable, black, comes to the bottom F, okay. This is the F button. See, 2 black cables, because okay, I will explain it later. This is the F button. This is also P1, P2, black button. F, okay, F. And the 7, the pink cable is E, okay, E, the pink goes to here, E, F, E, F, E. Let's check it on this side. This is F, E, F, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, F, E. Okay, this is number 8, E. Let's check the number 8 is white cable. White cable is for to here. See, white cable number 8 to D. This one is D. D, A, B, C, D. Okay, and next cable is to 9. 9 is for C. 9 cable is the gray one, D, and the next one is for B. The blue one is for A. Blue one is A. Okay, A. This is numbers. This button for A. See, A. Here, A. Okay, and we talked about buttons. Okay, now next is joystick 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, is for 12, 13, 14, 15 is for the joysticks. Okay, from here now is start from 12. Now we find 10, 11, 12 is the blue one. It's green, yellow, orange, red. It's to 15. Okay, it's to 15, 12 to 15. It's from here, you check. Green, here have green, yellow, and orange. Okay, red. Okay, is for right, left, up, down. Okay, and the next cable is this brown cable is for the start. Okay, start this and this start. Let's check. Start is here. Start. Coin is yellow. Yellow is the 17. Let's check the 17. 17, right? The yellow. Okay, the yellow one. The last is the ground cable. Ground is also black. Okay, ground. All these black is ground. Black ground, except this button. One black cable for ground. The other is the number 6 F. Okay, F button. This F button also has 2 black cable. Okay, and this is the connection for the home version. You can open your 3 console and copy the same connection. Okay.